Jobber's created a lot of free time for me in my life, especially at the end of the day. That used to go into the evening on a daily basis. It's great to be able to know that my team's organized for the next day, so the following morning isn't a scramble. I'm Dan Guest. I'm president of Guest Plumbing and Heating, located in Hamilton, Ontario. We've been in business for 7 years, and we've been using Jobber for 5 of those years. Jobber was just different overall. There were so many little things about it. I'm a little bit of a tech nerd, so I did a lot of research. One of the great integrations was with QuickBooks. You know, my accounting firm was dedicated with QuickBooks Online, and you know, Jobber was actually on their preferred clients portal. The moment we found that Jobber was gonna be the one was really with the technicians. Our technicians at first, they were scared. There were a little bit of blowback from, oh, what's this iPad? And I'm not good with technology, and some of our older staff. But once they got to use it, it was like, you know, an aha moment. And it really took us to a new place where they wanted to engage just as much as we wanted them to engage. The feature we couldn't live without is definitely the scheduling app. Being able to schedule on the fly, you know, jump between the 2 businesses that we run on Jobber, it's awesome. From the staff getting the information to, you know, our customer service coordinator being able to let the clients know who's available and when, hands down the best thing that we use. So one of the things we do here at Guest is do our schedules for the following day, the day before. So usually by 3 o'clock, we know where all the guys are going, load it up in a Jobber, and then we let the guys take a look at their schedules for the next day. So the nice thing is they get their head around it, they get organized, they know who they're working with, they know what van they're taking. It was special to see that they were buying in just as much as I did. We would recommend Jobber to any business that's looking to take their team to the next level. Whether you're a one-man show, which I was when I started with Jobber, you know, to a growing team, we're now 30 staff. Jobber grows with you and really takes your business to that next level. Whether it's cash flow, payments, organization, scheduling, client relations, you can get someone day and night, whether it's a quick chat online or whether you want to talk to somebody. You know, their team is fantastic. They're so supportive, and honestly, they're always growing and adapting. And as your business grows, you can grow with Jobber. If you're on the fence about Jobber or thinking of, you know, which programs to use, give me a call.